In this video, I'll introduce you to the best new Kodi add-ons for 2025 that you need to check out. These add-ons bring exciting features and content to your Kodi setup, making it easier than ever to enjoy movies, TV shows, live sports, and more. Here's the list of top add-ons for this year. Number 1. The Crew, a versatile add-on offering movies, TV shows, live sports, and IPTV content with a user-friendly interface. Number 2. Herein, known for its high-quality streaming and integration with premium services like Real, and Tracked. Number 3. Odin, a must-have add-on for sports lovers, providing live streams for sports events and TV channels. Number 4. Magic Dragon, perfect for on-demand movies and TV shows, with an extensive library and quick streaming. Number 5. Oscard, a comprehensive add-on that offers movies, TV shows, documentaries, and even kids content. Number 6. Mad Titan Sports, specifically for sports fans. This add-on provides live sports events and replays. Number 7. Venom, an excellent add-on for streaming high-quality movies and shows, especially for those with Real accounts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments which add-on you're most excited to try out, or if you have any questions.